I'm back, guys, again. So this is the second try that I'm gonna do tonight, or I can say today or tonight. Unfortunately, last time internet connection killed my stream completely, and I tried again and it killed again. Then I had to restart everything, try to give it a little bit time, and I hope this time it doesn't kill my stream, to be honest with you, everyone. It's really frustrating, to be honest. Like when you things like internet connection, technical stuff, or things that not in your hand, right? So you cannot do anything about it. But hey, I'm here. I'm trying my best, more than I can, to make this thing works. And today's mission, as you know, guys, that I started rewriting at least 70% of Nexa, the agentic coding super app that I built. This one, as you see on the screen. So right now I'm rewriting some part of it on Rust, basically. That's what I'm doing. That's what I did yesterday. Starting set up everything, and today I'm like, I continue. I have finished about 60 to 70% of it, and the remaining part I'm right now building, basically. I hope I'll be able to finish it tonight and test everything properly, and then we update our current package for public and everyone that we have with a better product. That's my goal. Welcome everyone back, and sorry for that internet connection that killed the stream. Welcome everyone back. My mic was mute unfortunately. So this is the second try that I'm gonna do for today's stream. Last stream it killed momentum and also unfortunately our stream. The internet I tried and it killed my like momentum, chat, streaming, right? Everything, the internet. So this is the second try. If it fails again, then I will be back on the day 22. Maybe for the day 21, this is gonna be it. If it doesn't work, but I hope it stay and it works. And we have a great stream. Hello, Jane. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Hi Sabur, hi again. How are you? Welcome again. Good to see you, man, back. This kind of stuff is not on my hand. Basically, it's a technical issue and I do not have any other options that I have like a great internet. This is all I can get and it's available for me and I have to work with it, right? So sometimes it put me in a rough position, but I'm like keep pushing, keep trying to continue streaming. I cannot like accept the fate and like, oh, my internet is not working, then I'm not gonna stream anymore. That's not an option for me. I have to stream. For me, that I be able to show to I cannot say to everyone, but for the people that interested in Nexa and my project, for that case I have to stream. I have to keep going. So welcome again, guys. And today's mission is as well, I'm still working on the Rust, rewriting Rust. About 60 to 70% of Nexa is rewriting on Rust. Today is the second day. And as you see, this is the local dev version that I have. So this is the version that some part of it is rewriting on Rust. Already finished. Maybe I think we are done about 70%. Another 50% is still remaining. And we are working. This is another chat which is working on it. This is another chat that's working. And also I'm testing GLM. Basically, unfortunately, GLM doesn't have visual. That's the biggest issue that it has. It cannot see the images, screenshots. It's really hard to explain something for it. Like this new design. Jet, welcome bro again to the stream. Last stream it killed my stream basically. Unfortunately, internet. Yeah, this is the new design, guys. Everything looks so much cleaner. And also it got faster. Still it's not done rewriting on Rust, but I can feel it when I use it. This version, this is the dev version and local version that we have. I can feel that it got much better. Sad for 2026 models. Yes, for 2026 model, it's crazy that JLM doesn't have visual. But it's really good models. Basically, I tried it. Especially, I use a lot with this rewriting on Rust. and it's doing pretty good. I don't know about the code quality, but the way even Codex used it, Grok 4.6 also used GLM that I have as a sub agent, right? And they are happy with it. I finished completely, hit my Codex limit on 100%. I also hit my Grok 100% usage, and then I had one reset on Grok and I used that one. And I have right now that is about, I use 13% of it or 14%. Right now I'm using completely JLM for rewriting because I have every plan, everything was written by Codex by GPT 5.6 Soul. So it's just following that plan and it's really good. It's doing great job. So Jit, I don't know if you're here. This is what I built. If you remember, we were talking about it. Now, any thread, for example, this project doesn't have any thread, right? Like this is just a name for a project test. So this is what we work. For example, we work and start using this machine project, right? If you move your mouse in this new version, which is gonna drop, when you move your mouse, you will see the lock. By default, it's locked. For example, if you want to move it under any project, it cannot do it, right? But when you click on unlock and then you move, imagine you want to move this thread under this project, right? So now you can do it. You see? And you can move it. You can look, okay, if this is unlocked, right? So you can move it to this project, and you can move it back to this machine, and you can move it back to here. So this is what you're asking, but the only thing you have to do is that you have to unlock. By default, any new thread that you open is going to be locked. What you need to do, click unlock, that's it, and then you can move it. This is how you can do it. Yes, that's exactly perfect. Such a great implementation. And we are back. Yes, too good. Internet killed my last connection, man. My last stream. We had we just gained a great momentum, right? Like 6-7 people joined us. We were having chat. It's really bad for my channel. For example, like when I started streaming, for a few minutes there is no one. Like only one person joined. Then can I start to, because I don't have a big subscriber base, and then YouTube started pushing my stream like on the home page for everyone. So people like join and click because they don't know me and I don't have like a big community. When my stream end, they just leave. They're not coming back because they are not subscribed. They don't know, right? And YouTube doesn't know that my connection is lost. They think that I ended this stream. And when I try again, it doesn't have the first impression and momentum. That's the biggest issue. So it happened to me. If I show you my YouTube studio, which I'm gonna show you guys, this is my YouTube studio, right? If I go to content, if I go to live, look, this happened multiple times to me. So this is the first example of it, day 11. I did a stream for about 29 minutes and I gained so much good momentum, and then it killed. And then I tried again on day 11, again the same date. So if you combine these two views, the viewership is gonna be higher, right? Above 350 or maybe even 400 on that time. And then this first stream always has like a better impression, like YouTube is pushing for everyone. Then it killed that momentum, and the second stream will not have a first stream momentum. And then I tried on day 13, the same thing happened. I did a stream for 1 hour and then it killed, and then I had to try again. Look, this stream is 4 hour, like 4.5 hours, it has only 180. This one in 1 hour 80. So now think about it. It doesn't have that energy anymore. And then in day 19 as well, that happened. I streamed for 47 minutes and I got 100, and then I did for 2 hours 220, and then again it killed my stream. This one is also killed my stream. I didn't want it to end in 2 hours, right? And then today the same thing. I did a stream for about 1 hour and 25 minutes, and then it killed the whole momentum, right? Now, so we are back, but I don't know that. For example, if I click on analysis or analytic of it, you see the browser feature. So this is very important, this to suggest it, and also the browser feature which shows in users on our like YouTube home. So that is sad a little bit, but that's the thing. These are the things is not in my hand, so I have to just keep going. I cannot be sad about it. So you see guys, this is the update that rewriting on Rust right now. Providers 100% Rust Foundation plus CI is also 100%, workspaces 95%, snapshot, these are 100%, native file watching is 90%, index and searching is 85%, process diagnostic is 70%, and then multi-agent is 55%. My stream is live. It feels like guys, am I live? Is my stream live? It looks like the universe doesn't want me to stream today. Am I live? Oh my god. Buffering, yes. Now I don't even know, like, is my stream is live or no? Live for me. Ben, welcome to the stream, man. Welcome, bro. Unfortunately, my internet, I can say, sucks. It is really, I'm really not happy about it right now. Yes, live. Okay. Good. Unlucky Starlink, and yeah, the Starlink is also, it's not officially available here, right? And if I get it like unofficially, it's so expensive. It's about 2.5k. So I know it worth, but right now for me it's gonna be a lot expense as a solo. I cannot call myself dev as a solo builder, and the product is just new, right? I cannot put like $3,000 or $2,500 for a Starlink internet. I would love to do, but no, it's not about the quality. It's not about the quality. It is about the internet is not stable. It means it disconnect, it connect in a split second. Like maybe it disconnect for for 2 seconds and then it connect again. It disconnect for 2 seconds maybe, then it connect again. That's the issue. It's not about that. When it works, it works, right? When it doesn't work, it just kills the stream completely. That's the biggest issue. It's not about if I stream on lower quality. Even my quality is very low right now. If it works, it supports properly. But my issue is it just disconnect like for a split second, like sometime for 2-3 seconds. And then it reconnect again, and then it disconnect again. That's the issue. No, upload speed when it works, it's good, right? Because we had yesterday 5 hours and 30 minutes, like 5 and maybe about almost 6 hours. But when it doesn't work, that hurts me because I put so much effort. I like now for me it's 1 a.m. in the morning, like 1 hour, like I can say that 1:30, 34 right now for me. I'm still awake, I'm still working hard, I'm still putting all my effort, everything that I can do, right? And the internet doesn't work, that's not in my hand. And that makes me like, I'm like, how unlucky like we are as a how can I express that feeling? It's really hard, right? Like a country, if a country is like 40 years plus in a war, what do you expect from it, right? What do you expect? And it killed basically every talent, everyone that tried to do something positive. And it makes me now to leave the country, basically. That's how I feel. Even I really love my country and I'm enjoying being here with friends, families, and friendly people, but makes me leave. Why? Because if I want to be successful, I cannot do it here. I don't have the basic thing, like I don't have electricity, electricity, I don't have sometime. That's why I live, even sometime it's hard for me. That's why like I'm living, and because I'm trading all those stuff, right? That's why I live in Dubai. And right now I'm for family visit. I don't want to ruin that vacation, kind of, not vacation. Family visit is a vacation, but I'm working. I don't want to ruin that. Anyway, no more complaint. Let's talk about positive stuff. How are you guys doing? No more complaint. Okay, you know the new feature, the new version, which is this one right now, as you see, it's just this is the one that building this one. It got, I look, I can feel like it got so much better after it's completely, we are done with Rust, right? When we test the sub agent, we test its chat, we test how it handles stuff. Imagine if Nexa, the current version, you guys have it, right? If you think that if it performed better now with all of it was only using parts of it with Rust. So imagine if we achieve, if for example, if I be able to achieve that 30 to 40% performance, not 40 is too much, I can say like even 20 to 30% improvement on UI quality, on performance, booting when you first starting, right? Like it's everything. Then imagine that after that improvement, how Nexa will be like. Family more important than internet. Internet access is always has, yes, that's the thing, right? That's why I'm like, as long as I'm here, I'm trying my best. But I but I don't want to ruin that. So also, did you see the memory report? The memory report you sent me on the Discord. When did you send it? Oh, yesterday. Okay, sorry, I haven't seen it to be honest with you, but I'm gonna check it because that time that you sent this to me, I don't know. Um, I think I was streaming, right? I was streaming. Yes, I was streaming, and I was streaming. That's why I couldn't. I completely forgot. Sorry about that. Yes, this is gonna be. This is great, honestly. Thank you. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna, after we are done with this task, because I don't want to right now, because we are rewriting stuff. I don't want to give it another task. That's the next thing. And thank you for the report. Another report that you're giving me, the feedbacks, especially the 4 notes that you're giving me, right? Dragging chat, as I showed you this one. If you unlock it, now you can drag it to another project, and then you can move it to any project you want. This is fixed, as you see. The UI polish for Mac, also you said that you have issue with the white border. That's also, it says fixed. And also that the question that you told me that it's keep constantly asking for the same boot up question after being closed. And for, and also for pens can overlook. That's also, I also technically, based on whatever this one says fixed. So when it's properly live, you can test it and let me know if that really fixed in Mac version. Yeah, thank you. I just downloaded it. Thank you so much. Downloaded it. Just downloaded it, and Guys, welcome to the stream. If you're new here, my name is Riza and this is the project that I'm working on it. It's called the Nexa. It's an agentic coding super app, and some people call it workspace, some people call it ADE, but I always says that this is a super app. It's more than just an ADE, right? It has a lot of stuff that has computer use, it has browser use, it has built-in browser, built-in editor, built-in plan, built-in path, voice control, it has commander, and very customizable workspace, as you see right now, that you can basically make your workspace the way you like, right? And it does support chat. As you see, it does support chat, and also it does support CLI. It can, if you don't like chat, Cloud Code, Codex, OpenCode, Grok, Kimi, these are the CLIs also available. And then it has organize, smart organize, that you can just organize the way you like your, for example, you can do this and you can move it here, right? So you can have multiple chat, multiple CLI providers, multiple providers is in one clean chat. And also I just added ability that you can add any providers you want. You can add if you're using your own API key as well. You go to settings and then you go to providers. It shows here custom. You click on custom, then you see the add custom providers. You just click and then you choose any providers you have, like from this list, Codex, DeepSeek, Moonshot, right? And then you choose one of those, or even open router basically. And then you put your API key and it scan models. And then you choose that model and give the model name. If you want, you can upload the icon for it. If you're not, is it okay? And then you save. And then you go back to the chat. Like I go back, you will see custom, says custom. You click, then that provider that you just set it up is gonna show, and you just say, for example, this is this is like I set it through API GLM. So this is a dev version, currently working on it. Even it does work, and it did replay me basically, right? This is how it works. And also, even if you have a local model, that's also supported. A lot of stuff basically you can do. You can do a lot of stuff with it. Right now, this is a dev version, a local